Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about cybersecurity and want to become an ethical hacker, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the Certified Ethical Hacker (CEH) training and certification, one of the most recognized credentials in cybersecurity. Closed lock want to legally hack into systems, identify security vulnerabilities, and protect organizations from cyber threats? CEH training is your gateway to a high-paying ethical hacking career. What is the CEH certification? The Certified Ethical Hacker (CEH) certification, offered by EC Council, trains you to think like a hacker but act as a security expert. With this certification, you'll learn how to checkmark find and fix security vulnerabilities, checkmark perform penetration testing and ethical hacking, checkmark protect networks from cyber threats, checkmark master real-world hacking tools and techniques. What you'll learn in the CEH training: small diamond footprinting and reconnaissance. Learn how hackers gather intel before an attack, small diamond scanning and enumeration. Discover how to identify open ports, services, and vulnerabilities, small diamond system hacking. Understand password cracking, privilege escalation, and malware attacks, small diamond web application security. Learn how to prevent SQL injections, XSS attacks, and more. Small diamond wireless and IoT hacking. Secure networks from Wi-Fi and IoT-based attacks, small diamond social engineering and phishing. Identify and prevent human-based cyber threats, small diamond cloud and mobile security. Learn to protect cloud platforms and mobile applications. Why get CEH certified? Moneybag high salary. Ethical hackers earn an average salary of $100,000 plus per year in the US. Upward trend career growth. Opens doors to roles like penetration tester, cybersecurity analyst, and red team expert. Trophy industry recognition. CEH is recognized by government agencies, Fortune 500 companies, and top cybersecurity firms. Rocket hands-on skills. Gain real-world hacking experience to defend against cyber threats. CEH exam details. Memo format: 125 multiple choice questions, hourglass duration, 4 hours, money bag cost $1,199, bullseye recommended experience 2+ years in cybersecurity or completion of official EC Council training. How to prepare and pass the CEH exam. Open book EC Council study materials and white papers. Learn official hacking methodologies, hammer and wrench hands-on practice in a cyber range. Work with real-world security vulnerabilities, books, online courses and practice exams. Enroll in structured ethical hacking training, bullseye join ethical hacking communities. Learn from professionals and participate in bug bounty programs. Fire ready to become an ethical hacker and start a high-paying cybersecurity career? The CEH training and certification is your key to unlocking new job opportunities and industry recognition. Loudspeaker want expert guidance? We offer exam prep courses, cybersecurity training, and mentorship to help you succeed. Right finger sign up today and start your ethical hacking journey. Thumbs up if you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable cybersecurity insights.